Guys, Realtor Mike here. I'm here at a bridge, footbridge along Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road. Yan, going to New Valley, siguro 100 meters away. Yan rin yung exit ng Calax, no? Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road. And on the other side is a Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road going up to Tagaytay. I'm excited about this video, although it's nothing official yet about the name. SM is here. So they say the name is SM Yulo Premier to differentiate it from the other SMs in the area, no? So it's a battle royale between SM. Andito na sila in the New Valley area. Yan, medyo malaki, no? So this is the site. Yan. Why do I say it's unofficial? Wala pa sa website ni SM, but all indicators are there na SM siya, no? Because I saw in the signage dun sa blue barrier yan. Number one, blue barrier, puro SM yan, karamihan, no? And then I saw in their sign dun sa DNR that you have to secure a permit from DNR. Nakalagay doon by SM Prime. So all indicators point na meron talaga, no? Hindi lang official pa. May mga ginagawa ng excavation, and over there, that part, there's ano na, parang barracks na, no? Yan, tapos may mga road clearing na dito. Yan. Why am I excited? It's one of the few places wherein the presence of Chumart and Ayala are side by side in terms of commercial, no? So magkatabi talaga sila. And the fact that SM is here, Ayala is here, Vista Mall is here, Paseo is here, Paseo by Greenfield, no? It just says about the importance of this area, itong suburban area na to, which is New Valley, part Santa Rosa, part Calamba, part Cabuyao, part Binyan. That's the importance of SM. Finally, there were talks, there were rumors na andito raw sila, but no one really confirmed it. But now it's here, they're here. So they say it's a premiere, so iba siya sa typical SM. The road going to Santa Rosa, they say na magkaka-traffic. Yes, magkaka-traffic, but I feel that the major road going to Tagaytay will not be the Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road only. Yung Calax kasi nagbukas na. Nagbukas yung Calax and now it extends up to a Silang East exit, wherein when you exit, you turn left. It's Aguinaldo Avenue or Aguinaldo Boulevard. You turn left, then going up diretso na dun sa rotonda ng Tagaytay. So madidecongest to. It's still going to be a road going to Tagaytay, pero merong alternative, which is yung Calax. Yan, may toll siya, but you know, people will be using that road. So medyo ma-disperse na. Yon, I'm excited about this thing, no? Ayan na. Yan yung groundwork. And there is Makiling. Yan, over there, konting makikita from here, no, is Laguna Lake. Yan. So it must be a joint venture by SM and Yulo. Since Yulo Land, the Yulo family is mostly the owners of this vast area. Exciting times, exciting times. So many choices. There's an exodus talaga of people going here. Yan, in my next video, I will feature the number of construction sites per village. Ang dami at radius. In my village alone, there's 50. In Trevilla, there's I think 50. In West Grove, over 100. Simultaneous construction, and many are in the works pa. No? May exodus talaga, merong movement towards this area because Metro Manila is plagued with traffic, congestion, air quality, and everything else. No? Dito, I hope they manage it very well. Yan. So yun muna. Realtor Mike saying stay safe and stay in faith. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. If you have questions, let me know. Or updates. Bye. It's Aguinaldo Boulevard. Tagaytay will not be sa DNR that yung you have yan going to no. So why do I say it's, because I saw in the signage dun sa blue. Okay, so this is the main road, the main saying the presence of SM SM cut